Imagine a world where your emails are sorted, responses are drafted, and your calendar is optimized. Welcome to the future of productivity with AI in Outlook. In today's fast-paced work environment, efficiency is key. Microsoft Outlook, a staple in email and calendar management, is now supercharged with AI capabilities. In this video, we'll explore how AI can transform your daily tasks and enhance productivity. From smart email management to intelligent scheduling, let's dive into the features that can revolutionize your Outlook experience. Artificial intelligence has become an integral part of Microsoft Outlook, enhancing its functionality. With features like Microsoft Copilot, AI assists users in drafting emails and summarizing threads. This integration allows for a more intuitive interaction with the software, making it easier to manage tasks efficiently. AI in Outlook leverages machine learning algorithms to analyze user behavior and preferences. For instance, it can recommend the best times for meetings based on participants' availability. This not only saves time but also reduces the cognitive load on users, allowing them to focus on more critical tasks. Let's delve into some of the standout features of AI in Outlook that can significantly boost your productivity. Smart Compose and Reply uses AI to suggest complete sentences or replies based on the context of your email. Imagine receiving an email and having Outlook suggest a thoughtful response in seconds. This not only speeds up communication but also ensures that your replies are relevant and coherent. With the ability to summarize long email threads, AI helps you quickly grasp the essential points. This is particularly useful for busy professionals who receive numerous emails daily. AI analyzes your calendar and suggests optimal meeting times, taking into account the schedules of all participants. This eliminates the back and forth emails often required to find a suitable time, streamlining the scheduling process. AI can automate repetitive tasks, such as setting reminders or categorizing emails. By automating these mundane tasks, you can free up time for more strategic activities. Focus mode helps you concentrate by filtering out distractions. AI learns your work patterns and can suggest times when you should focus on specific tasks. To make the most of AI in Outlook, consider these practical tips for integrating these tools into your daily routine. Enable the Smart Reply feature to quickly respond to emails, saving you significant time. Use AI-driven categorization to organize your inbox, allowing Outlook to sort emails into categories. This helps you prioritize your responses and focus on what matters most. Use AI to schedule regular check-ins with your team to maintain communication and ensure alignment. Before meetings, review AI-generated insights about participants and topics to prepare effectively. Take advantage of Microsoft Copilot to draft emails, create to-do lists, and manage your calendar. The more you use it, the better it learns your preferences, making it an invaluable assistant. Let's look at some real-world examples of how businesses have successfully integrated AI in Outlook. A tech startup implemented AI features in Outlook to manage their rapid growth. By using smart scheduling and email summarization, they reduced the time spent on administrative tasks by 30%. This allowed their team to focus on product development and innovation. A marketing agency utilized AI to automate their email campaigns, tailoring messaging to specific client needs. This resulted in a 25% increase in engagement rates, redirecting time saved towards creative strategy sessions. A corporate team adopted AI tools to streamline their project management. By using AI to schedule meetings and summarize discussions, they improved their project turnaround time by 40%. The team reported higher satisfaction levels due to reduced email overload and clearer communication. In conclusion, integrating AI into Outlook can significantly enhance your productivity by automating tasks. By leveraging these features, you can focus on what truly matters, achieving your goals and driving success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Share your experiences with AI in Outlook in the comments below. How has it changed your workflow? Let's keep the conversation going.